As we first told you last night, students at one Metro private school are out of class for a few days.
Leaders at Holy Name Catholic School in KCK told Fox 4 they've had to cancel classes until next Tuesday because of COVID-19 moving through the school. Fox 4 Sean McDowell working for you live at the campus at Southwest Boulevard in Iowa, where they're out till next week. Sean?
Lauren, yeah, they're closed till next Tuesday as we come to you live on the boulevard. The school made that announcement on its social media channels last night, but they really don't specify whether it's students who are affected, staff members, or both of whom. Now, we used to see school closures fairly often when the pandemic was here and COVID-19 was virtually everywhere, but seeing one nowadays, it's kind of a concern for people as well as infectious disease doctors. There's no foot traffic around the hallways at Holy Name of Jesus Catholic School this week. Parish leaders announce on Facebook the school is experiencing a COVID-19 spread, and classes won't be back in session until next Tuesday, just after Labor Day break. Two members of the parish staff tell Fox 4 News on Thursday windows are being kept open at the school while it's sanitized.
We haven't seen closures for a couple of years now, so I would imagine that the administrators of this school had a good reason to have the closure.
Dr. Dana Hawkinson, an infectious disease specialist with the University of Kansas Health System, says COVID case totals have seen a small boost over the last couple of weeks. But as of now, the hospital isn't compiling a running total of patients affected. The doctor also reminds us that other viruses that bring cold-like symptoms are spreading, as they often do when school groups gather.
It is certainly concerning that this early on in the school year we already have a closure, but we all know and have heard for the past few weeks of either anecdotes of people that we know who have been ill, or people in our community, or just specific communities that are having increasing cases of COVID as well. I think this is one good example of that.
Dr. Hawkinson suggests the public rekindle some form of pandemic-era precautions, specifically the need to keep hands clean and avoid unnecessary touching of the mouth and eyes. Also earlier today, Fox 4 News put in a couple of calls to the school and the parish leadership. We haven't heard back from them just yet. Earlier today, we also put in phone calls to the KDHE in Topeka as well as the Wyandotte County Health Department. But John, so far, those two agencies have not been able to provide any COVID-related data to share with our viewers.
Sean McDowell live on Southwest Boulevard tonight. Sean, thanks.